Hello, boys and girls. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record a video in a class discussion. So what you're going to do is your screen looks like this, and you'll click on the title. Okay, from here, you're going to look for this white rectangular box, okay? And we're going to click in that. The next step is the microphone. So click the microphone. And we want to click this play button that says audio and video. And what that means is that I'll be able to see your face and also hear your voice. So you're going to click on that. And then if this little pop-up appears, you're going to click this allow button. It begins with an A. So click on this button. Oh, hello. And then you're going to want to position your camera, not like this, not like this, like this. Okay, so you can see your whole face. And then you're going to think about what is your favorite color. Okay, that's what our video response is today. So think about what you're going to say. And then once you've got your answer, then you'll click the blue button right here that says start recording. So my favorite color is yellow, and that's because I think that it's a really happy color, it's really bright, and it usually cheers people up when they see yellow. Okay, so now that I'm done with my video, I hit the blue button again. And if you want to, you can watch the video and see if you like it. If it's good to go, then you'll hit the blue button. And the last step is really important, is you have to type your name in. Type your name in this box. So I'm going to type my name in. And at the beginning of the year, if you just want to type in the first letter of your name, that's fine. So if it was me and I was using my first name, Molly, I would just type in an M. So type in either a letter for your name or your full name, and then you'll click this blue button again. And then you'll be done. Okay? So the key things to remember are the microphone, this play button, and then these blue buttons down here, okay? The last step is putting your name in. Now, this is our first time doing this, so it might be a little tricky, and we're probably gonna have to practice this a couple of times. So don't worry, just have that growth mindset. You can do this, and if you have questions, you can always watch this video again. So record a video telling me about what is your favorite color and why.